Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where the cool weather continues for the Western Cape. In contrast, we're expecting warmer temperatures across the interior as we head towards the weekend, and we'll see a bit of light rain along the southern and southeastern coastline on Saturday. On our satellite, you'll see fine and dry weather for the majority of South Africa, with lots of sunshine and blue skies overhead, allowing those temperatures to really warm up into the afternoon. You'll see most of the clouds situated over the Western Cape, with another weak cold front moving just to the south of us, and that still brings in some cloud for the Western Cape, and with that cloud overhead we might still see a few drops of rainfall, but we'll start to see things clearing out in the second part of the day. That front also keeps temperatures cool for the Western Cape and results in a cooler day along the southern and southeastern coastline, with a very slight chance of evening rain along parts of the Eastern Cape coast. We're forecasting dry weather for the rest of South Africa, with a hot Friday afternoon in the northeast, many of those highs well into the 30s. With that cloud remaining over the Western Cape, we might still see a few drops of rain out of it, and because of that we're keeping in a 20% chance of rain in the southwest, but with most of that clearing out into the second part of the day. Fresh northwesterly winds are forecast in Cape Town with a light southerly breeze for George and Port Elizabeth. We're forecasting a southeasterly to easterly wind, and that's between 15 and 25 kilometers per hour along the coast between Richards Bay and East London, with light winds across the interior. It's a cool Friday afternoon for Cape Town at 18 degrees, with that cooler weather also spreading along the southern and southeastern coastline with highs in the low 20s. A slightly cooler day is expected for Durban and Richards Bay, but those highs still heading into the mid-20s in the afternoon. Still sizzling hot for Ladysmith at 35, with Lephalale matching that daytime high. Pretoria and Polokwane at 32, 33 for Bombela, and a maximum of around 30 for Kimberley, Bloemfontein and Uppington. Now, although temperatures warm up across South Africa, you'll see that cool weather continues for the Western Cape. Cape Town at 18 degrees on Saturday, with a mild and sunny day on Sunday at 23, and then you'll see those maximum temperatures back into the upper teens as we head towards the new week, with a bit of cloud overhead. On Saturday, we're expecting a bit of light rain along the coast between George and East London, and it'll be a hot afternoon across the interior with a possibility of thundershowers over the central parts. On Sunday, we're expecting a predominantly dry day, other than a few drops of rainfall for East London. You'll see temperatures continuing to increase across South Africa. A toasty 37 for Uppington, 33 degrees for Pietermaritzburg and De Aar. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.